at 5 tonight, a chance meeting in San Juan, Puerto Rico between a team from UCF and our team from WFTV. Nancy Alvarez was on the island reporting, and a UCF professor saw her tweets, and he reached out to her to let her know that some UCF Knights were on the island too. The result, a story about the role UCF has in Puerto Rico's recovery.
Dr. Fernando Rivera is working on a project that's both personal.
I am from Puerto Rico, that's right.
And professional.
And Florida has been the place where Puerto Ricans are going. So it just makes sense that University of Central Florida is sort of the institution, the academic institution that is researching and doing all the investigations.
We found the UCF sociology professor in a rented apartment above the busy streets of San Juan, looking over drone footage his team collected along the island's coast. They gathered images, interviews, statistics, anything that will help other researchers.
It's no good if that data set stays at the home of a university. It has to get out there in the public.
And this is about much more than Maria.
But let's not forget that we're still suffering from the biggest storm, which is the financial crisis. All of the things that happened with this hurricane happened because we didn't have the resources that keep up the infrastructure.
Dr. Fernandez says under the damage and chaos this hurricane left behind lies enormous opportunities for partnerships, not just for academics, but people who want to help build a stronger Puerto Rico.
Around 5 million plus Puerto Ricans outside of Puerto Rico, and we have about 3.1 here in the island of Puerto Rico. So how can we get together and try to solve this issue?
And as the recovery continues and the lessons are learned and the story is told, this group is determined to make sure Central Florida has a seat at the table.
I don't think we can go any farther back. The only way to move is forward.
In San Juan, Puerto Rico, Nancy Alvarez, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.